Good evening, YouTube. Today is the 28th of March 2016 and I'm going to show you my species Phalaenopsis orchid that I bought recently at the Vancouver Orchid Society show. So here is this lovely white Phalaenopsis, which is called, let's see here, Phalaenopsis Aphrodite, and I bought it from this person, Tenchin Gardens. We fly them out from China. So this is a lovely specimen. You see the beautiful leaves and has two spikes, and this one is of course budding so beautifully. Now I just love this orchid. It seems like it's one of the most original orchids that we know, the species Phalaenopsis. It is the parent of all the white orchids that we see in the stores, the store-bought hybrids, and it's been around, recorded for the last 253 years or 250 years, going back to the records of botanist Linnaeus, where he named it. And I'll show you the link and the article. It's very interesting to read about how orchids have been discovered and classified, and why they continue to fascinate us. So this is planted in moss, and I'm going to leave it like that. I haven't examined the roots, and there is no, I think the roots look okay, but I haven't taken a good look inside. I will be putting them in sort of semi-hydroponic, so putting the hydroponic medium in the glass there and then standing it like this so it has plenty of airing, and I might make some slits on the sides of the pot and maybe reduce the moss a little bit. But I'm going to wait and see how it goes. I just love the way the spike curves and the particular beauty of the flower itself. Can you see? It has more pointy petals, and it just looks, it's a bit different from the ones we see in the store that have rounder petals. This is more pointy, but I love the idea of looking at something that has been evolving over the last millions of years and has survived all this ancient history of Earth. It has survived to produce this beautiful thing, and of course we are benefiting from this plant because it's just so precious. So I'm so happy to own this, and I bought a few more of species orchids because I like the idea of having something that's old and original and is in nature exactly like this. Alright, more to come. Thanks for watching. Okay, so more on species orchids. So this is the Phalaenopsis amabilis, which is also one of the oldest orchids that we know of or has been recorded. So this is a specimen. I don't see the flowers yet, but I'm guessing that they'll be white just like the Aphrodite. That's a new leaf there. It's all grown in moss, and I haven't examined the roots, and I'm going to lighten it up. You see, it's not drying there, the water collecting inside. So I'm going to try and air it out a bit, put some hydroponic leca beads here and stand the pot up higher. So that's for the Phalaenopsis amabilis from the same Tenchin Gardens. The next one I have here is also a species orchid. Let's have a look at this one. So Phalaenopsis schilleriana. So this has lovely silver roots, leaves, like mottled looking, and has this spike. And apparently the roots, when they come out, they look like a bit like snake. So that's why they're called schilleriana. So I'm not sure what the flowers look like, but I think I've seen pictures of it, and it's supposed to bloom very heavily, like lots and lots of flowers. So this is a fairly young plant. The leaves are quite small, but in spike. So I may have to wait for a bit for this one. Alright. Okay, so this is my fourth and last species orchid, and this is Phalaenopsis Stewartiana var nobilis. Okay, So this has 2 spikes coming out, leaves are healthy, also in moss. And I'm going to do the same thing, put a few leca beads and make it stand. Look, it's not drying in there. You can see the moisture collecting. So yeah, I'm really quite nervous about these plants. I don't know if I can keep them alive and not destroy them. My other 2 species Phals, have been quite successful with them, even though they're in moss, but they have lots of slats on the side which allow the airing of the roots. So I'm going to try and see if I can do that, lighten up air it out a bit, and then try and keep a strict eye on the watering and see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching.